Transportation doesn't get much more basic than the Nissan Versa. Proudly claiming the title of America's least expensive new car, the Versa feels every bit as cheap as its $12.875 price suggests. Still, the subcompact sedan offers a cavernous back seat, a large trunk, and a comfortable ride, making it a prime choice for those who moonlight as Uber or Lyft drivers. Just don't expect to have any fun behind the wheel of the Versa, as its agricultural-sounding engine, numb steering, and listless chassis offer all the excitement of a PBS documentary on the history of watching paint dry. High's low base price, big backseat, large trunk, low's wallowy ride, cut rate interior, as bland as tap water. Verdict: the cheapest new car sold in America. For good reason. What's new for 2017? For 2017, the Versa gets several modest interior changes, including a lightly reworked center console that adds redesigned cup holders and a second 12-volt outlet and relocates the standard auxiliary input and available USB port in front of the shift lever. Additionally, the mid-grade Versa SV is available with a new special edition package. The $500 option includes a 5.0-inch infotainment screen, a rearview camera, and 15-inch wheels. Trims and options: we'd choose the Versa is the least expensive new car sold today, and it feels every bit the part. If you're buying a Versa, we suggest you commit to the model's penchant for penny pinching and purchase the entry-level S at $12.875. The S lacks civilized features such as folding rear seats, cruise control, and power windows and locks. Still, the Versa S isn't completely devoid of niceties. It comes standard with air conditioning, hands-free Bluetooth phone, power mirrors, anti-lock brakes, steering wheel audio controls. Additionally, the Versa S is the only trim offered with a manual transmission. All other Versa models use a prosaic continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT.